Good morning everyone. Today in this video we will learn about factors and multiples for class 6. Factors and multiples for class 6. There is a and we also solve some question from our R.S. Agrawal. Factors and multiples. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that, and a number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. Means in factors and multiples, we must know what factor is and what is multiple. So here factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number, and a number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. Like factor of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. यानी कि 10 का फैक्टर ये 4 नंबर्स हैं। क्यों 4 नंबर्स हैं? क्योंकि डेफिनेशन में ही दिया हुआ है कि भाई फैक्टर वो है जो उस नंबर का डिवाइजर, यानी कि 1 से 10 डिवाइड हो जाता है या 1 के टेबल में 10 आता है, 2 के टेबल में भी 10 आता है, 5 के टेबल में भी 10 आता है और 10 का टेबल में तो 10 आता है। तो फैक्टर ऑफ 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. So multiple 1 is a multiple of 1 is 10, multiple of 2 is 10, multiple of 5 is 10, multiple of 10 is 10. So this is about the factor and multiple, and some more about the factors. Before that, various types of number. Even digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even digits. Even number always ends with an even digit. Even number हमेशा ही even digit से end करता है, मतलब कि even number में ones place पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ even digit रहते हैं. Odd number never ends with even digit. और odd number में ones place पर even digit नहीं होते, मतलब कि नंबर या तो ऑड नंबर होगा या इवन नंबर होगा. प्राइम नंबर, numbers having only two factors. Numbers having only two factors are called prime numbers. ऐसा नंबर जिसका दो ही फैक्टर हो, या वो नंबर किसी और के टेबल में नहीं है, अपने टेबल में आए और 1 के टेबल में, लाइक 3, 1 3 या 3 एंड 3 1 या 3, बीच में किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता है. 7 1 7 जो 7 and 7 1 जो 7, 11 13 17 19 23 29 31 and so many numbers are there. If numbers have only two factors, then the numbers are called prime. Composite, number having more than two factor, या सिंपल कहेंगे कि जो नंबर प्राइम नंबर नहीं है वो कंपोजिट नंबर, एक्सेप्ट 1, 1 को छोड़ करके. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 प्राइम नंबर भी नहीं है और कंपोजिट नंबर भी नहीं. More about prime number, we have a pair of prime numbers called twin prime. Two consecutive odd prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. See here, 5 7 are twin prime, 41 43 also twin prime, 59, 61 also 2. Difference between the two prime numbers is always 2. And in the pair both are odd prime. ये भी याद रखना है कि पेयर में odd prime होना चाहिए. दोनों ही नंबर odd prime. Prime triplet. It is a set of three prime numbers. Three consecutive prime numbers differ by 2. ये 3 नंबर्स का सेट है जिसमें हर नंबर एक दूसरे से, अगर हम रेगुलर बात करें कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म में, तो उनका डिफरेंस 2 है. Here 3, 5 and 7. 3 and 5 difference is 2. And 5 and 7 the difference is 2. It is a prime triplet. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Two prime numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. यानी कि दो प्राइम नंबर का ये सेट है जिसमें इनका कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 होना चाहिए. One more question from your book, that is write down all the factors of 60. 60 के सभी फैक्टर्स को लिखना, मतलब ऐसे नंबर्स का लिस्ट बनाना है जो 60 के फैक्टर्स. 60, 160 just 60, 230 just 60, 320 just 60, 415 just 60, 512 just 60, 610 just 60. After that, when we write there down, then we directly go to 10. So 10, 6 just 60, then 12, 5 just 60. So numbers will start lifting. So the factors of 60 are, we start writing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Hence the factors are 2, 3, 1 also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. When a question given to any number, for any number it is given, find the factors. First we write in this form and then after we start writing the odd and even number. One more definition for that. All multiples of 2 are called even number. Multiple of 2, that means in ones place either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So if you say 240, ones place 0, 758, ones place 8, here ones place 0, then ones place 6, then ones place 6, then 1 place 4. So all the numbers are multiple of 2 or divisible by 2. This is why they are called even number. If the number is not even, it must be an odd number. Number which are not multiple of 2 are called odd number. Here the numbers are written, they are not multiple of 2 or not divisible by 2. So they are called odd. One more question is from your book. Express as the sum of two odd prime numbers. It means 42 को ऐसे दो ऑड प्राइम नंबर्स के सम के रूप में लिखना है. मतलब कि दो प्राइम नंबर बताइए जिसका सम 42 है. तो 5 plus 37 और 11 plus 31 और 13 plus 29 or 19 plus 23. You have to write any one, but here I have given the more example for you. One more, 98. 19 plus 79, 98. 31 plus 67, it is also 98. 37 plus 61 also. So by this you can revise. One more question. 49. Express 49 as the sum of three odd prime numbers. 49 को ऐसे थ्री प्राइम नंबर्स के सम के रूप में लिखना. Means we have to find the three prime numbers whose sum is 49. 3 plus 17 plus 29. 49 होता है. 3 and 17, 20 and 29, 49. 7 plus 13 plus 29. 7 plus 19 plus 23, 23 and 7, 30 and 99. Yes. Perfect number. What is the perfect number? That we must. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times of that number, then the number is called a perfect number. It means sum of all the factor is double of the number. Like 6 is a perfect factor of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 12. 2 into 6. It means sum of the factor of 6 is 12, which is double of 6. This is why 6 is called a perfect number. 28 is perfect number. We have to verify how 28 is perfect. So we have to find the factor of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. All सब फैक्टर लिखना है, किसी को छोड़ना नहीं होगा. अगर कोई भी छूट गया तो मतलब कि जो हमने बना रहे हैं, जो चेक कर रहे हैं, वो सब रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. तो sum of that is 56, which is the double of 20. It means 28 is perfect number here. So by this you have to revise and try to solve more questions from your exercise. Thank you.